Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie dough tasty. First, ensure your butter is very cold and cut into small half-inch cubes. This helps create flaky layers. Next, incorporate a pinch of salt to bring out the natural flavors of your ingredients. A small amount of sugar also adds a subtle sweetness, balancing the overall taste of your pie crust. Remember, quality ingredients are key to a delicious result. When mixing, combine your dry ingredients thoroughly before introducing the cold butter. Use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter into the flour mixture until it resembles coarse meal with some pea-sized pieces. This step is crucial for flakiness. Then, add ice water very gradually, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing just until the dough comes together. Avoid overworking the dough to maintain tenderness. After mixing, flatten your dough into a disc, wrap it tightly, and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax and the butter to firm up, making it easier to roll. When ready, lightly flour your work surface and rolling pin. Roll the dough from the center outwards, rotating it frequently to prevent sticking and ensure an even thickness, typically about 1/8 of an inch. For a perfectly crisp crust, consider blind baking, especially for custard or fruit pies. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the crust for about 15 minutes, using pie weights to prevent shrinking and bubbling. Remove the weights and continue baking for another 5 to 10 minutes until lightly golden. This ensures a firm base for your filling. Also, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.